Hey YouTube. So we've just got patterning to do, and then basically that's all we're gonna cover for sketching, and then we'll move on to features. I mean, the best way to practice SolidWorks is just play around with it and just like click on things and see what they do. Right. Okay. So patterning, linear pattern. So this is linear pattern. Click on that. You see the arrow, so it's going on the X direction, so let's increase it to maybe like 5 and increase the distance a little bit, 20, and maybe we'll have some on the y-axis as well, so maybe like 3 and 20 also. So that's what patterning is. So this is your seed sketch entity, and then it'll produce more of the same. So that's helpful. Okay, and we also got circular. So what you do is just you pick a axis or a point, and then it'll just rotate about the point or axis. It actually just auto-located the origin, so normally it doesn't do that, but sometimes if you're lucky, the SolidWorks can auto pick it up. And okay, so let's just say 5, and yep, it just makes the pattern like that. You can choose the degrees of how many, like say you don't want 360, maybe you want like 180, and that will do half a circle. So yeah, I mean that's really about it. Cool. That's a quick video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, share with your friends, comment if you like the video or you got some questions. Yeah, I do answer questions, just like I'm not really well known, so no one actually uh, replies to me. Okay, so until next time, see ya.